For level 4, we would use the same approach. Looking at the data array for level 3, loop through each one and check for a matching on the supervisor email. So for the first one, if we find a matching on row 32, the employee will be automatically be placed on level 4. The current level 3 will be pasted on level 3 as we did previously. However, we do not have a link to 1. We need a level 2 in place here. So to obtain the level 2, all we have to do is taking level 3, wherever that is within the data array, and just move 1 to the left. We would then able to get level 2 and paste it here. This way we have a path from level 4 to level 1. So let's write VBA for that. The code for level 4 should start out exactly like level 3 except for the name change here and the eye level will equal 4. But everything here looks exactly like level 3. We only need to insert 2 lines of codes, one up here and one down here to complete level 4. So within the first for loop, which is looping through level 3, in this case, we assign each of the supervisor email to I current level supervisor email. But as demonstrated manually, we need the level 2 to tie 1, 2, 3, and so on. So we need level 2 right here. What we was able to do is we added a variable here, previous 1 level supervisor email. So we here, previous 1 level, which is the one to the left. We take I level, which is 4 minus 3 equal 1. We only need to move over 1 to get previous 1 level. For practical purpose, I declare it up here. And now that we have the current I level supervisor, we also know the one prior. For each of the level 3 supervisor email, we look through the supervisor column, fire match, and then paste the employee in level 4. This is level 4 because I level equal 4 minus 1 equal 3. We start out with level 1. We offset 1, 2, 3. That's the employee. We do 1 less, which is 1 to the left. Therefore, the minus 2 here. That's the current level supervisor email. Now, if we need to go to level 2, here's the code. We need to offset 1 further and assign the previous 1 level supervisor email to it. Now, if we run it, we'll have level 4 all the way down. Those who do not have a level 4, they are direct report to level 2 without overseeing any subgroup. We add get level 4 to the run all subroutine. We can clear the data here and rerun it, and it works. Now we can proceed with level 5. Level 5 looks exactly like level 4 except for these 2 lines right here. And you can see that it's similar to how we approached with level 4. So first we have the subroutine name change, specify the I level. We have the current level supervisor email. If we are to do 5, we would have to get level 4 here. We can get the level 3 by the previous 1 level supervisor email offset I level minus 3. We need the extra line right here so that we can now get level 2. As we go further down the level, we need to add extra lines to cover level 2. Similarly, when we find a matching of level 4 in the supervisor column, we get the employee email and place in level 5. We need to go back further so that we can paste level 2. That's why this line right here, we offset minus 4 and reference previous 2 level supervisor email. Now, if we are to run this, it works. We have level 5 information. And for level 6, we can pretty much copy and paste, and I can do it right now for you to see. 6 here, 6 here. We duplicate this one right here, change it to previous 3 level, offset by 5. Same with this row. We copy and we offset by 5. Make sure we change this to previous 3 level. We need to declare this, so we copy and paste. And just like that, we have level 6. And if we run this, found them. If we add get level 5 and 6 into the run all subroutine, we can test the code, clear, play, and it works. Now we can take a linear 1-dimension employee to supervisor and turn into an organizational chart. If we add in the name for the office, then we would have a much more meaningful org chart. Thank you so much for sitting through the 4 parts presentation. I hope you learned something. Now stay tuned. I will have an bonus videos where I will consolidate the get level 3 through 6 in a single subroutine, as we do have redundancy. However, that is just bonus. We can only achieve that when we have all the code for each of the step written down, because we need to test our code, and this is the right approach. However, when we have the opportunity to write better codes, we should, but that is just bonus for now. This codes right here works just well the way that we have them. Thank you so much for sitting through, and I will see you on the next video.